Right now you are looking at a very high-level meeting of the Shoreline Restoration Project Brain Trust here in Ephraim. You've probably seen a lot of activity. It's very exciting and it's getting closer to completion as we speak. There's still work going on. A lot of these bigger rocks right here, these were already here. They just got moved around. This is all Door County rock. What is new is this armor stone right here that they've kind of fanned out. That will break the waves that come in. That'll be very, very practical. And underneath that armor stone is this geofabric all underneath there, and that'll keep that soil from eroding. So they've really thought of everything. You'll have to use your imagination a little. This will be about 6 inches higher. This will all be paved sidewalk, and all of this will be sodded. There will be some trees planted, there will be benches, and then a feature that we are used to that remains is that little jetty right there. They haven't finished the surface there. That's still being poured, but yeah, it's getting closer. Ephraim just really rocking it right here, no doubt about it. When do we think we'll be done, guys? Do we have a target date? Guesstimate. Mid-May is when they plan on finishing it off. So get on down to Ephraim and enjoy the Shoreline Restoration Project. There is your minute out in it, fun seekers.